So before we get into the syntax and types and all that, I want first to show you how to compile TypeScript to JavaScript using the TypeScript compiler. And also I want to show you how to set up a configuration file and set up our directory structure as well. Okay, so before we move on to actually looking at the syntax, here I have a variable age. We have 22, which is a number assigned to it. So I'm gonna here explicitly say give it a type of number. Here, if I want to change the variable value to, let's say, a string, I'm gonna get an error. Type string is not assignable to type number, because now age is always going to be a number. Let's say if later on want to change it for any reason, this will come here and remind you. Also, if we do not, let's say we do not explicitly say this is a number and we leave it as is, and let's save, and the error is still there because TypeScript will just use something called inference. Okay, so now let's start with compiling. We save, and now we start with compiling, and we basically do that with the command tsc, that stands for TypeScript, and then the name of the file, in our case it's index.ts. Awesome. Now we have our JavaScript code generated. As you might have noticed here, it says var and not let. And the reason for that is TypeScript by default it compiles into ES5 because let and var were introduced later on in ES6. So basically you can change that easily and let TypeScript use ES6 instead of ES5, and that is by changing the configuration file. So let's start with that.